Greetings, a quick tutorial on how to get started with VirtualBox, at least as far as downloading and installing. So easy thing, search it up on Google, downloads, take you right to the downloads. I've already downloaded the device, so I just need to go to my downloads and go ahead and double click on it. So I'm going to go ahead and see the run. I will run it. You probably didn't see the admin popped up. So next. You shouldn't really need, for what we're going to do for this purpose, you shouldn't need a whole lot of extra settings set on this. So just hit next and then click yes. And go and click yes. Install it. And then remember, we're not going to use this right away in this class. But I recommend doing it now because when we do start using it, you're going to have a lot of other stuff to be working on, and installing it at that time might be a little bit extra work. And again, as we actually get to using some of the virtual machines, I'll show you how simple it is just to import those again as needed. But again, once this all's done, finish, and then you'll get the VirtualBox VM machine thing working, and there we go. So again, as we start going through, you can import appliances. Normally what we're going to have the PKs, and then we'll show you again. We'll show you how to use it once we actually get to it. We'll fire up the first one together, and then just depending on whatever the lesson is you need, you'll just open the correct one and follow the directions. But that's all there is to it, right? You know, just go to VirtualBox, go to the downloads, download it, and run through the installer. Pretty simple. Thanks for your time.